Hi there. My name is Sel Manalo. I'm 71 years old. I have a frequent questions about our friends all over the world because I live here in Las Vegas and they are always asking me questions that I would like to answer today. As you know, Las Vegas is in Nevada and this is a desert state. We are in the middle of nowhere. We are about 260 miles away from the shore in Los Angeles and about 600 to San Francisco. That's an aerial mileage. By the way, the question was, what do we do here in Las Vegas? I would like to make some series or episodes about what we do here other than gambling. You know, Las Vegas is known for gambling, but lately we are also known for entertainment, sports. We have a hockey. The name is Golden Knights. And we have also NFL, the Raiders from Oakland. And of course, we have also WNBA. And very soon, we might have an NBA team. But I would like to discuss with you what we do here in Las Vegas as a senior. Right here, we can do biking, we can do walking, we can do dine-in or shopping. As you know, casinos are always in here. We have shows all the time in here, all year round. Those are all famous artists like Bruno Mars, Taylor Swift, a lot more. I cannot mention everything. Starting on this video, I would like to make some episode about what the seniors do in Las Vegas. As you know, this is entertainment capital of the world. A lot of entertainments, a lot of major leaguers are already here. And of course, casinos, dining, shows are 365 days. Bear on me, I would like to go to Fremont Experience. But along the way, we will pass through the Las Vegas Blvd. That is a street, but they called it strip. In the strip, it's a lot of adjacent buildings which are housing for hotels, casinos, entertainment. Maybe over 100 hotels and casino along the way before we reach. But we are going to Fremont Experience. Fremont Experience is an old town. That is the start of Las Vegas. You can see right there all kinds of performers, all kinds of weird things, all kinds of bars, dining, restaurant and bars. Of course, casinos are all over, left and right. But the Fremont Experience is very known. It has been used from the 60s, 70s, and 80s for movies by very prominent actors. But now they make it a dome or covered, and no cars are passing through right there. But I'm going to show you what other people do or what people do in there. They're just walking, performing weird things. Okay, let's go.